Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, as you guys know, it's that time of the day, NFP day. I'm gonna be analyzing the market with you just to show you where the direction is gonna be going, where I think the market will be pushing through when the time of NFP is coming, guys. So this is the analysis that I made yesterday, but I'm going to cancel everything and start analyzing from scratch, guys. I'm on US30 already. Let me zoom this chart so that it can be bigger. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go to the higher time frame. So from the higher time frame, as you guys know, how I analyze the market is that I start by specifying my lowest point and the highest point. You can say, okay, this is my highest point. So I'm going to start by specifying my highest point, which is on this zone, and then this is my lowest point. So the next step that I'm going to be doing after I do this analysis here of my lowest point and the highest point is that I'm going to specify the zones. So these zones are places whereby the market touches, the market reverses, guys. So I'm going to be specify all those zones when I'm here on W time frame, which is the weekly time frame. So this is whereby the market touched, it reversed, and then give us a big movement. We can see the market here as well. It gave us a big movement under this zone. So I'm going to specify little zones. We can see here where the market is basically playing around. We had a zone that was playing around there as well, guys. So here's another zone here, but yeah, we can see this is way too far for now right now because we're analyzing this thing for NFP, guys. So right now I'm going to do this. I'm going to leave this here with this imported level, which is right here, because we saw the market basically touch this zone and give us this big movement. But nonetheless, this is all our zones. I think I need to specify these ones as well. Specify this one here as well. So we specified all our zones, guys. So on our weekly time frame, what we need to do on the next step is just to go to the daily time frame and check the trend of the market, guys. What is the trend of the market? Where is the market basically going at the moment when we're looking at the market right now? So when I'm looking at the trend right now, you can also specify the zones of the market basically even on the D1 time frame and the 4-hour time frame, guys. So but I've already specified them on a weekly time frame, which is giving me the strong rejections there on the daily time frames, guys. So basically when I'm on the D1 time frame, I need to specify my trend lines, guys. So right now here on USDT, I can see we've been talking about this trend line for way too long. So we can see the trend line basically came in here and gave us the first touch, the second touch, but we never reached the third touch here. So I think we might be waiting for another third touch there. So when it comes to our D1 time frame, we can basically go and join our trend line at the top there. So and then we can just put it here like this, guys. So basically this is how the market has been playing out right now, guys. I'm getting some vibes here that the market is going to be doing something, guys. Just watch how I'm going to be analyzing this market here. Look what happened here at the top of the trend line. We had the first touch here, we had the second touch here, we had the third touch. What happens at the third touch of the market, guys? At the third touch of the market, by the 90% rule, we're always reversing, guys. We saw the market touching that point, reversed, guys. So basically right now the market is giving me opportunities of saying we might be pushing to the lower side just to come and get our third touch on this line here. So basically this is what I'm seeing right now, guys. So I'm seeing the market basically giving us the third touch here. We got the third touch on top. Right now we're going to get the third touch on the bottom side of the trend line for the market, because we're seeing a rising wedge, guys. So in a rising wedge, we know this is a bearish pattern, guys. A rising wedge is always rising. When it breaks out, we know it's going to be very, very bearish, and then we can come to the lower side. So we know that if they come and touch here, we might reverse and then break it out. We're gonna push further to the downside, basically. So let me just remove these things and just take the market down to the lower time frames just to see exactly what we might be seeing, guys. We know on our higher time frame we are seeing selling opportunities, guys. If we move over to H4, so if we move over to H4, guys, we know that on our higher time frame we are seeing selling opportunities. We are seeing those opportunities needs to be respected so that we can go with it. If I go to the lower time frame, I see the market basically give us a fake out, if I can call it that way. Here we saw the neckline was broken out, but the market basically came back inside that neckline. We have another one right here, basically, if I'm looking at it here. So if I'm looking at another neckline where the market is basically playing right now, I'm seeing a very, very important level there. So this neckline here, if it gets broken, we know that we had another line which is somewhere here. So if the market by NFP is basically playing below this line here, which is the line that we drew around our weekly time frame, which is a very, very strong level, guys. So if this strong level is not broken up and the market is playing above this line, I'm selling on NFP. That's basically what I'm seeing, guys. If the market is playing below this, we are already selling, guys. So we are saying if the market basically right now is playing below this zone here, which is the line here, we are going to be selling our trade when it comes to US30. So guys, when we are here, guys, we are seeing this neckline. The market is failing to break it right here. We saw even here our support failed to break here as well. We can see, guys, if we go to the daily time frame, maybe a 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and just see, guys, what's happening on our 1 hour time frame. You know, guys, we go down with the market all the time. We go down with the market all the time. I think this line here, I'm going to remove it because I'm seeing another supply zone here, which can let the market turn, guys. This is a very, very important supply zone. I think we're going to refine it and see where the entry points could be, because if we can see from this zone, guys, from this zone here, we started to get a very big movement that led us to this level, but we never came back here. I think we came back and touched it. Yeah, I got some trades here when it comes to this support. I mean the supply level here. So the supply level goes something like this, guys. If you want to know about demand and supply, guys, I think you can just Google demand and supply. You will know what I'm talking about, guys. So basically, this is a very, very simple concept when it comes to CMC, guys. So I can see, guys, we are in the demand and supply right here, which is the very, very important level there. And there's also an important trend line here that failed to break out, guys. So here we got a trend line that failed to break out right now. If we are playing below this trend line, we are playing below this supply level, we are playing below this, by the time of NFP, guys, it's a sell. I'm going to be selling US30 right now, because in a supply zone, we saw the market came back to that supply zone, and they give us a sell again up until this level. If I go lower to the lower time frame, how to refine the supply level here, this is where the market started giving us the big movement, basically from our rising. So the market started rising here, and then it started giving us the last candle to go to the upside. Why can't I hold this thing? You see right now, okay, there we go. So on our supply zone, if we're going to refine this thing, we can say the market basically came here, take it to the lower time frame again. So here, this is basically where our supply is going to be. So how we can refine it. So basically we can see they touched it very slightly, and then they started going to the lower side, guys. So if we're looking at it that way, we know that the market is basically playing below this trend line, which gave us 3 touches already. So we got the first touch, second touch, third touch. So if the market comes back here and then break out from this supply zone here, we know that we're going to be buying, guys. So if NFP comes and then we are above the supply zone, we're going to be buying, guys. Or if the NFP comes and then they touch here, because what I need them to do is basically come here. You see right now they're busy trying to be bullish a little bit right now. So I want them to play something like this, go up, touch this level. If NFP comes when I'm under this level, I know I'm going to be selling, looking for retest under this trend line, which can push me to the upside. And if I break down this trend line again, it means I'm going to be continuing to the downside. But right now, since I saw selling position when it comes to our weekly time frame and the daily time frame, meaning I'm looking for selling positions. So right now, when I'm saying I'm looking for selling position, is that if the supply zone is not broken out, I'm selling. If this level here is not broken out, I'm selling. That's basically my trading strategy when it comes to NFP, guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Where can I we can say it's a breakout as well. Here we saw a breakout. Right now we are retesting, so we might come back and retest here and then start going to the lower side, guys. So that's basically what I'm seeing when it comes to US30, guys. Yeah, that's basically my trading plan, guys, when it comes to US30 NFP day, guys. So we're gonna be selling from here, or we're gonna be selling from the supply zone, or we're gonna be selling from here. But all in all, we're gonna be selling when it comes to this, guys. So that's basically what I see. 5 minutes chart, guys. Let me see what's happening on the 5 minutes chart. I think, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it, guys. I'll give you all the positions that I'm gonna be taking, guys. You can see, guys, when I unzoom it, we got a very third touch right there, guys. So on our very zones, guys, so we had a zone right here, which is a very important zone. So if the market comes back and break out this zone and start playing above this zone, then we are going to start looking for buying opportunities. But as long as we are below this zone, we are selling, we are selling, we are selling. So basically this is it. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be looking at selling positions, guys. So on US30 right now, let me jump into USDJPY, guys. Or let me see if I analyzed golds as well. I think I've analyzed gold as well. This is a very old analysis. Let me just go to US30, USDJPY, guys. So even USDJPY, guys, I've been analyzing it. We can see there was a buy. I don't think I need to reanalyze this thing again. But yeah, just for you guys, let me reanalyze everything, remove all the drawings, and then reset chart. So what I'm gonna be doing when it comes to USDJPY, guys, is that I'm going to go to the weekly time frame, the same thing that I did when it comes to US30. I'm on a weekly time frame. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to specify my highest point, specify my lowest point as well. So this is where my lowest point is, and then the next thing that I need to do is to specify the zones. This is places whereby the market touches, the market reverses, guys. So that's basically what we do each and every time when we analyze the market. So this is the zone. We saw USDJPY touching this zone, and then it reversed and gave us a big movement. We can see right here as well, they touched and give us a big movement. Right here as well, we can see there's another zone here that was played. I don't think we have a lot of zones when it comes to USDJPY. I think we have another one right here where the market is basically playing, which is what we want, guys. So we saw a spike up, and then the market started to go down there. So this is basically where the market is right now. If I go to the lower time frame, which is the D1, I need to specify the trend, guys. The trend of the market. What is the trend of the market? So basically, let's see the trend. If we're able to put the trend right there, I can start the trend here and say we got the first touch, second touch, we don't have the third touch. More like US30, guys, we don't have a third touch right there, but there on top, what do we have, guys? It looks like the same pattern over and over. But yeah, with USDJPY, they don't just come hand in hand. We can see we had a first touch, second touch. We don't also have a third touch on top there. If I say I'm studying my stuff here, so, or we can say our first touch start here, second touch here, and then the third touch here, and then already the third touch point was being respected, and then they came down here to the zone level, basically. So when they came to the zone level, I think we have a very important zone. Let me show you where the important zone is right now, which is gonna give me a very valid signal at the moment. So we see this zone here, right, guys? So this zone right here, I think is going to be giving us our signal, guys. So this is a very important zone. We need to just look at it when we go down to the lower time frames. I think let me just see where it is right now. We see it came and then touched from here. So this is where the zone touched. I just need to see where it is right now. So this is the zone. Yeah, but yeah, it's very important. Let me go to the lower time frame, which is the H4 time frame. Fix the zone, make it a little bit smaller right now. So this is the zone, guys, right now, which is basically giving me vibes of saying USDJPY will be continuing to go to the upside, guys. So we saw the neckline here being broken, then which is the zone basically. So the zone got broken right here. Right now they came back and retested our zone, and then I think we're going to be continuing with the market to go to the upside, guys. So that's basically what I'm seeing. I think we need to put our buying positions right here when it comes to USDJPY up until that level, guys. So I think we're going to be pushing further up to the top and create new highs when it comes to USDJPY, because the large zone right here got respected there. So that's basically what I'm seeing right now. So guys, let me see if I go to the lower time frame. Let me see if I go to the lower time frame. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna be buying USDJPY. We can see right here, there's a little bit of a trend line here. The market, if the market breaks out from this trend line, we're going to be looking at buying positions as well. If they break out here, we're going to know that we're going to be pushing to the upside, guys. If I go to the lower time frame, yeah, guys, so I think they will be coming back here and then come back, retest, and then they will be starting to go up. So USDJPY is going to be a buying position, guys. I think that's it from my side, guys. All the best when it comes to USDJPY and US30 NFP today. I'm just saying all the best, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I think I'll see you on another one. Hope you're learning a lot when it comes to my analysis, when it comes to this thing, guys. Yeah, I'll see you on another video. Thank you. Bye bye.